Adventure motorcycles promise freedom on two wheels. They promise to take you from city streets to mountain passes without breaking a sweat. But not all adventure bikes deliver on that promise. Some will leave you with unexpected repair bills and reliability concerns that make long-distance touring stressful. Suzuki has built adventure motorcycles for decades. Some have become trusted companions that riders depend on across continents. Others have developed reputations for specific issues that make them risky purchases on the used market. Today we're breaking down 3 Suzuki adventure motorcycles with known reliability concerns, and 4 that have earned strong reputations among long-term owners. These rankings are based on owner-reported patterns, recall history, and real-world performance data from riders who actually use these bikes for serious touring. If you're considering a Suzuki adventure bike, this information could help you make a more informed decision. Let's start with the models that require extra caution. The 3 most problematic. Number 3. 2004 to 2007 Suzuki V-Strom 650. The first-generation V-Strom 650 has a generally solid reputation, but the early US models from 2004 to 2007 have several commonly reported issues that make them less ideal for adventure riding where reliability matters most. The 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine produces 67 horsepower and 44 pound-feet of torque. The engine itself is generally reliable. The concern is with supporting systems that can develop problems over time. These early models have a known pattern of stator and voltage regulator failures. The stator generates electrical power for the motorcycle. When it fails, you're left with a dead battery and a bike that won't start. This can happen at relatively low mileage on some bikes. The replacement process requires accessing the engine case, which involves significant labor. Owners also report issues with the throttle position sensor. When this sensor develops problems, the bike can hesitate or surge unpredictably when you roll on the throttle. This makes slow-speed maneuvering more difficult. The suspension on these models is non-adjustable and set up quite soft from the factory. When you add luggage and camping gear, the front end can dive excessively under braking. Many owners upgrade the suspension for loaded touring. The seat on these models is frequently criticized for being too firm and poorly shaped. It pushes riders forward into the tank. For long days in the saddle, this becomes uncomfortable. Suzuki addressed many of these concerns in the 2008 model year redesign with improved electrical components and better suspension tuning. If you're considering one of these bikes, have the electrical system thoroughly inspected. Check service records for stator replacement. Test ride to check for throttle response issues. Budget for potential suspension upgrades if you plan to tour with luggage. Number 2. 2014 to 2016 Suzuki V-Strom 1000. The second-generation V-Strom 1000 launched in 2014 with a complete redesign. The 1037 cubic centimeter V-twin engine making 101 horsepower is strong and reliable. However, these early model years have several owner-reported issues with electronic systems. Some owners report problems with the ABS system. When ABS issues occur, braking performance can be affected. Suzuki issued service bulletins addressing some ABS concerns, but not all affected units were covered. This is worth investigating on any used example. The fuel pump on these models has been reported to fail on some bikes. The pump is located inside the fuel tank, making replacement more involved. Some owners report fuel pump issues occurring earlier than expected. The electronic throttle system received criticism for jerky response at low speeds. The ride-by-wire throttle can feel less smooth than traditional cable systems, particularly in technical riding situations. The traction control system is quite intrusive and cannot be fully disabled on these models. It cuts power aggressively when detecting rear wheel slip, which can make riding on loose surfaces less enjoyable for experienced riders. Some owners report issues with the instrument cluster LCD screen developing dead pixels or failing in extreme temperatures. The 2017 and later V-Strom 1000 models received updates that addressed several of these concerns with improved software and revised components. If you're looking at a 2014 to 2016 model, verify all service bulletins have been completed. Check that the ABS system functions properly during a test ride. Ask about any fuel pump replacement history. Be prepared for the electronic throttle characteristics. Number 1. 2020 to 2021 Suzuki V-Strom 1050. The V-Strom 1050 is Suzuki's flagship adventure bike. The 1037 cubic centimeter V-twin engine producing 107 horsepower is excellent. However, the first two production years had software and quality control issues that were addressed in later models. The most significant concern involves the ECU software. Some owners report engine stalling at low speeds or brief power interruptions at highway speeds. Suzuki released multiple ECU updates to address these issues. Many bikes improved significantly after updates, though some owners report needing multiple reflashes. The quick shifter system on early models frequently misses shifts or causes false neutrals according to owner reports. This improved with software updates but remains less refined than on some competing bikes. Some owners report TFT display issues including freezing, error messages, or screen blackouts. The cruise control system can surge or disengage unexpectedly on some bikes. Build quality on early production units was inconsistent, with some owners reporting loose fasteners and poorly fitted panels. The seat height is 33.3 inches and the seat shape is narrow with a pronounced step, making it difficult to move around for some riders. Suzuki made significant improvements for the 2022 model year, with updated software and better quality control. The 2022 and later models are substantially more refined. If you're considering a 2020 or 2021 model, verify that all ECU updates have been installed. Any Suzuki dealer can check the software version. Test ride thoroughly to confirm smooth operation. Consider waiting for a 2022 or later model if possible. The 4 best. Number 4. 2017 to 2019 Suzuki V-Strom 650. After the early generation issues, Suzuki refined the V-Strom 650 significantly. The 2017 to 2019 models represent a mature, well-sorted platform with strong owner satisfaction. The 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine produces 67 horsepower and 44 pound-feet of torque. The power delivery is smooth and well-suited for adventure riding. You have adequate power for highway speeds without excessive weight or complexity. The electrical system on these models has proven reliable, with the stator and voltage regulator issues from earlier bikes resolved. Owners regularly report high mileage without electrical concerns. The suspension received significant upgrades for 2017. The front forks are adjustable for preload and the damping is better tuned. The rear shock has more adjustment range. The suspension handles both solo riding and loaded touring well. The ABS system is reliable and can be switched off for off-road use where desired. The brakes provide strong, predictable stopping power. The ergonomics work well for a wide range of riders. The seat height is manageable at 32.9 inches. The handlebars are positioned for comfortable upright riding. The seat is wider and better shaped than earlier models with good long-distance comfort. Fuel economy typically ranges from 50 to 55 miles per gallon. The 5.3-gallon tank provides good range for touring. Maintenance follows typical intervals with valve adjustments recommended around 15,000 miles, though many bikes don't require actual adjustment. Parts availability is good through Suzuki dealers in the aftermarket. These bikes hold value reasonably well on the used market. They offer reliable adventure capability without excessive weight or complexity, making them ideal for riders who want a proven, manageable platform. Number 3. 2008 to 2013 Suzuki V-Strom 650. The second-generation V-Strom 650 that launched in 2008 established the model's reputation for reliability. These bikes fixed the first-generation issues and proved themselves over hundreds of thousands of miles in owner hands. The 645 cubic centimeter V-twin makes 67 horsepower with smooth, predictable power delivery. Suzuki redesigned the chassis, suspension, and bodywork for 2008, creating a more capable and comfortable platform. The electrical system on these models has proven very reliable. Charging system issues are uncommon. Owners regularly report high mileage without electrical problems. The suspension is well-tuned with better damping than the first generation. The brakes are strong with reliable ABS on equipped models. The ergonomics are excellent with comfortable seat height, well-positioned handlebars, and a good seat. Wind protection is effective for highway touring. Fuel economy averages 50 to 55 miles per gallon, with the 5.3-gallon tank providing good range. These bikes have proven reliable over time. The engine is durable, the transmission is smooth, and major mechanical issues are uncommon in well-maintained examples. These models lack modern electronics like traction control and riding modes. For many riders, this simplicity is actually preferable with fewer systems to potentially develop issues. On the used market, these bikes offer excellent value. They're affordable, reliable, and capable with strong aftermarket support for accessories and upgrades. Number 2. 2017 to 2019 Suzuki V-Strom 1000. While the 2014 to 2016 models had some concerns, Suzuki made improvements starting in 2017. The 2017 to 2019 V-Strom 1000 models are well-sorted adventure bikes with strong owner satisfaction. The 1037 cubic centimeter V-twin produces 101 horsepower and 76 pound-feet of torque. The power delivery is smooth and controllable, with strong low-end and mid-range torque. The engine pulls cleanly from low RPM, making the bike relaxing to ride. Suzuki addressed earlier ABS concerns with these models. The system is reliable and provides strong stopping power. The fuel pump issues from earlier years are less common on these bikes. The electronic throttle received software improvements that smoothed out throttle response. The traction control was recalibrated to be less intrusive while still providing safety benefits. The suspension is well-tuned for adventure touring. The ergonomics are comfortable for long distances with good seat comfort and wind protection. Fuel economy averages 45 to 50 miles per gallon. The 5.3-gallon tank provides adequate range for most touring. These bikes have proven reliable with proper maintenance. The engine is strong and the transmission is smooth. Most owners report good experiences with these model years. The bike weighs 503 pounds wet, which limits serious off-road capability but provides stability on pavement and gravel roads. These models offer good value on the used market, providing more power and capability than the 650 at a lower price point than premium adventure bikes. Number 1. 2022 to 2024 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. The V-Strom 1050 XT represents Suzuki's most capable adventure platform. After addressing early production issues, the 2022 and later models are refined, well-equipped machines. The XT designation indicates the more adventure-focused version with wire-spoked wheels, enhanced protection, and features suited for mixed-surface riding. The 1037 cubic centimeter V-twin produces 107 horsepower and 74 pound-feet of torque. The 2022 and later models came with updated ECU software that resolved the stalling and power delivery concerns from early production. The engine runs smoothly with strong, predictable power delivery. The transmission is smooth with well-spaced ratios. The quick shifter functions properly on these updated models, allowing smooth, clutchless upshifts. The suspension offers good travel with fully adjustable front forks and rear shock. The wire-spoked wheels are stronger and more repairable than cast wheels, providing an advantage for adventure riding. The ergonomics are good with comfortable seat height and well-positioned controls. The seat provides decent long-distance comfort. Wind protection is effective with the adjustable windscreen. The electronics package includes riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and cruise control. The TFT display is clear and functional. The systems work reliably on these later models. Build quality improved significantly for 2022 with better fit and finish. The bike feels solid and well assembled. Fuel economy averages 45 to 50 miles per gallon, with the 5.3-gallon tank providing adequate touring range. The bike comes well equipped with hand guards, bash plate, heated grips, and center stand as standard equipment. Maintenance follows typical intervals. The bike has proven reliable in owner hands when properly maintained. The V-Strom 1050 XT offers serious capability with good comfort and reliability. It has adequate power for any situation, suspension that handles varied terrain, and electronics that enhance the experience without excessive complexity. This is the bike for riders who want a capable adventure motorcycle that can handle daily riding, long tours, and gravel road exploration. It's comfortable for all-day riding, capable on challenging terrain, and reliable enough for remote adventures. Suzuki has built both problematic and excellent adventure motorcycles over the years. The models with known issues suffer from electrical concerns, software bugs, and quality control problems that make them riskier used purchases. The best models offer strong reliability, comfort, and capability at competitive prices. If you're shopping for a Suzuki adventure bike, approach the 2004 to 2007 V-Strom 650, the 2014 to 2016 V-Strom 1000, and the 2020 to 2021 V-Strom 1050 with caution. These bikes can be good values if issues have been addressed, but require thorough inspection and verification of updates. Focus instead on the 2017 to 2019 V-Strom 650, the 2008 to 2013 V-Strom 650, the 2017 to 2019 V-Strom 1000, and especially the 2022 and later V-Strom 1050 XT. These models have earned strong reputations among owners. The V-Strom 1050 XT stands out as the most capable option with the best features and highest refinement. But the V-Strom 650 models offer excellent value, strong reliability, and adequate capability for most riders at lower cost and weight. Whichever Suzuki adventure bike you consider, research the specific model year, verify that recalls and updates have been completed, and inspect carefully for signs of neglect. A well-chosen Suzuki adventure bike will provide reliable service for thousands of miles.